ได้มีเวลาหายใจโอ้โหฮุกซ้าย
4 cm và đây là một cú đập.
AJ.
Oh, big right hook from AJ.
But Wanchai, and you call him a sniper, it's like a Barrett.
Cú đấm trúng đích từ AJ rất tốt với cú đấm. Đối thủ góc độ vẫn luôn là điều mà AJ mang đến. Left hook. Đối thủ cố lên không trốn rồi.
Nagkataon dito.
Ayun, sa katawa. Hindi na yata makakabangon nitong si Geraldine Oclaret. Mintes, tuloy ayun sa pull. Left hand flush into the... Tulog pa rin po itong si Oclaret.
Isang batang Pinoy boxing prospect na si Arvinjan Pasiones ang may potensyal na maging world champion sa hinaharap at kaya makipagsabayan at makipagbakbakan kay Naoya Inoue dahil taglay nito ang bilis at lakas at may galawan din ang batang boxer na ito at kaya ni Pasiones na magpatulog ng mahimbing ng kalaban.
Ayun, sa katawa. Hindi na yata makakabangon.
Kaya naman exciting at kaabang-abang ang mga susunod nitong laban. Samantala si Arvinjan Pasiones ay may undefeated record sa kasalukuyan na 12 wins, 7 knockouts. Si Pasiones ay tubong Cebu at nakabase na ngayon sa Vietnam at former WBA Asia Light Flyweight Champion at kasalukuyang may hawak ng WBO Oriental Flyweight Belt. Samantala sa edad na 17 ay nagpamalas na si Pasiones ng bagsik at lakas ng kamao nito sa laban. Taong 2022, unang sabak ni Pasiones sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Cambodian boxer na si Vichit Ot. Sa laban ng dalawa ay naging agresibo at palaban ang Cambodian boxer. Panay atake nito at pasugod sa ating kababayan at tila gustong tapusin agad ang Pinoy. Ngunit nakipagsabayan si Pasiones at nagawa nga nitong in-knockout ang Cambodian boxer.
ต่อยไปยังติดกาดติดบังนะครับของอวิจรวิชิตโอ๊ตนี่ก็พยายามเดินไล่ถล่มลำตัวแล้วครับกะจะเอาให้โอ้โหบวกซ้ายครับโดนเหมือนกันนะครับอวิจรสายตาเรามาแล้วหลายครั้งนะครับโอ้โหไล่อัดลำตัวฮุกใส่หมัดหน้าของอวิจร Pasionesที่เร็วครับโอ๊ตโอ้โหแต่ควานหาตัวแกยากจริงๆครับมาแล้วครับไล่ถล่มแล้วครับโอ้โหหมัดขวาเต็มๆครับโดนไปกับขาสั่นครับอวิจร Pasionesต้องไล่อย่างเร็วเลยครับดูครับวิญญาณเพชรฆาตของนักมวยจากกัมพูชาครับวิชิตโอ๊ตปลูกกันแล้วครับแหมต้องรู้ดำรู้แดงกันนะครับยกนี้ต้องมีคนร่วงมีคนหล่นครับโอ้โหต่อยลำตัวครับต่อยลำตัวอวิจร Pasionesได้มีเวลาหายใจโอ้โหฮุกซ้ายครับลูกนี้โดนเต็มๆครับโอ้โหต้องบอกว่าเป็นหมัดที่
Hindi na nakatayo pa ang Cambodian boxer. Panalo si Arvinjan Pasiones by a third round technical knockout. Samantala sunod na hinarap ni Pasiones ang hambog na Thai boxer na si Sarawat Jamtong. Sa face-off ng dalawa ay nagpakita ito ng angas sa Pinoy. Sa pagsimula ng laban ay binakbakan agad ng hambog ng Thai boxer ang ating kababayan. Gustong tapusin agad dito ang Pinoy. Ngunit bulagta ang inabot nito sa kamay ni Pasiones.
Dự đoán cũng sẽ tiếp tục gắn bó lâu dài với đất nước Việt Nam, bất lợi hơn về mặt thể hình, về chiều cao và xẻ tay. Cú swing hook rất nặng nhưng rất tốt. Đó là những cú đánh cực kỳ, chúng ta đang thấy một màn thể hiện tuyệt vời và chúng ta cũng thấy là những đòn chạm thon 4 cm và đây là một cú đấm và có khả năng anh sẽ khiến cho đối thủ bị hạ knock out.
Pinilit pa sana ng Thai boxer na tumayo ngunit hilong-hilo pa ito. Panalo si Arvinjan Pasiones by a second round technical knockout. Samantala, March 2024 ay balik Thailand si Pasiones na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai boxer na si Wanchai Niyanghansa. Didipinsan ni Pasiones ang hawak nitong WBA Asia Light Flyweight Belt. Sa laban ng dalawa, round 1 lang tapos na ang laban. Nang 3 beses na pabagsakin at tapusin ng Pinoy ang Thai boxer.
To an orthodox stance and a right hand. The sniper by Nim.
A beautifully timed shot.
But Wanchai, Arvin sent his opponent down. He looks stunned. You call him a sniper. It's like a Barrett 50 count.
Panalo si Arbinjan Pasiones via first round knockout. Samantala, August 2024 ay muling napalaban si Pasiones na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang isa na naman na Thai boxer na sinantanon Tong Chai. May ring record ang Thai boxer na 13 wins, 2 losses at 11 knockouts. Habang si Pasiones ay may malinis na ring record na 9 wins, 5 knockouts. Sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi kinayanan ng Thai boxer ang lakas ng Pinoy nang 3 beses na pinabagsak at tapusin ng Pinoy sa unang round ang Thai boxer.
Ở hạng 110 pound. Cú đấm tốt của Pasiones. AJ ép luôn đối phương, lối đánh nhanh đầy tốc độ vẫn luôn là thứ cực kỳ cuốn hút mà AJ Pasiones làm được. Nhưng đừng quên rằng đối thủ của anh cũng rất đáng sợ và còn trẻ hơn cả anh nữa. Ép được đối phương. Liên tục là những cú đấm trúng đích từ AJ. Rất tốt với cú móc. Đối thủ ngã rồi. Đối thủ choáng choáng say đòn rồi và đây mới là hiệp đấu đầu tiên thôi. Tốc độ vẫn luôn là điều mà AJ mang đến. Gục rồi, gục thật rồi. Đây là hiệp 1 và mới chỉ là 2 phút 15 giây. Có lẽ trận đấu vẫn tiếp tục. Left hook. Đối thủ có lẽ không trốn rồi. Và đó là...
Panalo si Arbinjan Pasiones via first round technical knockout. Samantala, May 2025 ay muling naimbitahan si Pasiones sa bansang Thailand upang harapin ang pinangtapat sa Pinoy na si Sanchay Yotbon. May ring record itong 18 wins, 12 knockouts. Nakatay sa laban ang WBO Oriental Flyweight title. Sa laban ng dalawa ay muling pinahiya ng Pinoy ang mga Thai nang paluhurin ng 5 beses at tapusin ni Pasiones ang Thai boxer.
10 fights against Sanchay Yotbon, who has 27 bouts on his professional boxing record. So Arvin John Pasiones, already the WBA Asia champion. And let's see if he can be a double champ right here, taking away the WBO title, or is Sanchay going to rip up the script and be the champion himself?
Arvin's a very slick fighter. He's got that sniper style. He likes to pop shot people, and he's got the knockout power to go with it as well. We've seen him put many people to the canvas, and Sanchay walking into these shots, definitely going to feel the power very early of Arvin.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Jimmy. He's a sniper. He's very good at just using the long-range weapons. And there he goes, putting down Sanchay with the left hooks to the body, snatching the life away from him. Is he going to make the count? The referee's at 6, now at 7. Sanchay stands up at 8. Looks like he's going to be able to continue. Is Pasiones going to be able to get this done in round number 1? Let's see. Comes diving in with the uppercut.
The Prince Nassim Hamid, the southpaw style with the pop shots to go with it. And of course the backup, and there he's found that shot again right underneath the ribcage. He's going to the exact same spot every time. Has Sanchay fully recovered after that knockdown? We're going to find out soon.
Sanchay trying to survive here. Let's see if he's completely recovered from that knockdown. Pasiones moving into orthodox, stepping back very slightly, trying to step into orthodox to land that left hook to the body, and he goes down again. Second knockdown now in the first round. We're halfway through the round right now. Is Sanchay going to get up from this one? Referee's at 6, he's at 7, he's at 8, and Sanchay stands up. One more knockdown and it's all over. Pasiones will be crowned the new champ if he can get a knockdown in this round. Another one, 3 knockdowns around, and it is a TKO victory.
He's challenging his inner Mickey Ward here and just digging to the body with those left hooks, putting his opponent to the canvas right underneath the ribcage, right in the sweet spot. Sanchay has to survive this round. He's got to make it through round number 1. Great left hand with the right hand. The crowd are going wild.
And you got to give it to Sanchay here, trying to have a firefight with Pasiones when he's already hurt and he's had 2 knockdowns in this round. Really risking it here, trying to fight back against Pasiones instead of going on the back foot and trying to kill time, trying to chew the clock up as he could.
And that's what he needs to do. He needs to try and prove he's not hurt and that he's got the energy to continue. But when you've been down twice, it's very hard to convince your opponent that you haven't been hurt yet. Big left hand there, and he puts him to the canvas, and that is the 3rd knockdown. The 3rd knockdown. The ref giving him the count. There is no 3 knockdown rule in this. And he makes it to his feet. The referee allows him to continue, and that is the end of the round. somewhat. Him down again. I think the referee may have seen enough, but let's see. We cannot count Sanchai out. Round number 2 underway.
No, you definitely can't count out a wounded animal. They're always deadly and lethal. Here we go, left hook there from Sanchai. Right hand again from Sanchai. The crowd really getting behind him. Sanchai has Passiones cornered on the ropes.
And this is what Arvind wants. He wants Sanchai to come forward. He knows he can use the momentum against him. He wants Sanchai to punch himself out and make him more susceptible to the body shots.
Yeah, Sanchai wants to have a fight in the phone booth. And he goes down again to another body shot. Is he going to make the count this time? Referee at 6. Sanchai is just taking his time, waiting for the count to get up. And here we go, fight is going to continue.
And the interesting thing here is, Ali, because they're body shots, the referee is deeming it okay to carry on. If these were shots to the head, he wouldn't allow it, but the referee's waving it off, folks. And it is all...
Panalo si Arvinjan Passiones via second round technical knockout. Matagumpay na naiuwi ni Passiones ang WBO Oriental Flyweight Belt. Samantala, nito lang October 26, 2025 ay muling napalaban si Passiones na kung saan hinarap niya rito si Geraldine Ocraret na may ring record na 5 wins, 5 knockouts at 1 talo. Habang si Passiones ay may undefeated record na 11 wins, 6 knockouts. Sa bakbakan ng dalawa ay di umubra ang lakas ni Ocraret dahil muling pinamalas ni Passiones ang lakas at bagsik ng kamao nito nang patulugin ni Passiones na mahimbing ang kalaban nitong si Ocraret.
You mentioned about his last fight. Pinalo niya Rene Marcuarto, former world champion.
Yes.
Ang tinalo niya. Na dalawang beses tumalo kay Pedro Taduran.
Oh, of course. And Pedro Taduran able to get the belt back, and he has his second title defense of his new lease on the belt. Maya-maya po yan. What a shot galing dito kay Passiones. Diretso sa ulo ni Oclaret at medyo nahilo. Itong taga Bukidnon.
Alam mo, baka pwedeng makita natin yung future opponent ng mananalo mamaya sa World Championship. Itong si AJ Passiones.
Right. Passiones is 5'7" and is listed as a flyweight. Does not make sense.
Kaliwete pa.
Oo. So Passiones, nakita man, napaka-flat-footed talaga, just wanting to deal a power shot. 6 of his 11 victories by way of knockout, and coming off a second-round TKO win kontra kay Sanchai Yotbun in his last matchup in Thailand. Power shot kagad yung binibitiwan doon ni Passiones, trying to go for everything.
Medyo malayo nga lang, ano? Pero makikita mo yung power, yung intention nandun eh, no?
Masamang intensyon.
Oo.
Gusto niyang mga mamugot dito sa kanyang with that left hand. Again, that's a southpaw who has fought almost exclusively in Vietnam and in Thailand.
You know, I have to admit, ngayon pa lang napanood tong si Passiones. Pero parang yung kanya, sa nakikita ko ngayon, parang gusto niyang tapusin agad eh. Sa suntok lang.
Exactly. I was saying kanina, Dennis, we don't expect this to go the distance.
Oo.
Hindi lang sa kanya kasi knockout artist sa kanya kalaban. Geraldine Oclaret with 5 victories, all 5 wins coming by way of knockout.
Pwede rin, baka nag-iingat din. Nagpapakita rin ng respeto itong si Passiones doon sa record ni Oclaret.
Well, Oclaret, only 1 defeat sa kanyang professional career. Yan, power shots. Yan ang nangyayari dito. Tahimik yung mga tao. They're really expecting 1 shot, Dennis, na matapos na itong laban.
Kasi majority ng mga kasama natin dito talagang matagal na sa boxing.
Oo. Again, they say the Filipino boxing fan is one of the most intelligent boxing fans in the world. Usually, pag may ingay mga Pilipino, habang may nangyayaring boxing, may kakengkoyan na nangyayari. Pero
yan.
pag ganito, yung alam mong at any moment, pwede na matapos yung laban, tahimik sila. First round about to come to an end. Puro power shots ang binibitiwan ng magkabila. And by virtue of just 1 connection in that first round, you can get yun, sunod-sunod yan. I mean, take a look at Eric Morales, di ba?
Yes.
Round 2 na po tayo. Tingnan mo, parang Muay Thai pinapanood natin dito. Nakaabang lang silang dalawa. Magkakamali ka, ako papasok. But this is one good thing that Geraldine Oclaret is doing. Pinapasok na niya yung kanyang jab.
Yes.
Sige, kumounter ka. Nakahanda na yung kanan ko.
Pero ngayon, mas nagiging active na rin yung jab ni Passiones.
Oo.
Ayun, isa pa, dalawa.
At pagdating doon, slight reach advantage of about 2.5 inches to AJ Passiones. Pero the height advantage is also 2.5 inches. Tahimik talaga tao dito. Oh, good shot there with the left hand.
Parang nag-aabang ng ano yun, no? Explosion dito.
Doubt if it's gonna be a flurry. It might be a knockout by a counter punch. Very dangerous na ginagawa rito ni Pasiones. Pumapasok siya, nakaabang, and there's that shot coming from Oclarit.
Pero pumapasok si Oclarit, ha?
Oo.
Kahit na ito, nakakukuha ng timing si Pasiones. Ang gandang bitaw sa katawan.
Oclarit, pinapakita yung counter punching din isa.
Ingat na sa counter.
Oo. Sapayang very flat-footed, looking for the opportunities. That time, lumamang si Pasiones sa exchange. Again, Pasiones not really using the jab as a weapon. That has been the choice of Geraldine Oclarit. Counter. Galing kay Pasiones. Oclarit wants to go in.
Matapang din lang yung Oclarit, partner.
Oo.
Nakakatikim siya, nasasaktan siya, pero pumapasok pa rin.
Pero yung mga counter na ganyan Pasiones, mabango sa judges yung mga ganyan.
Si Pasiones nagpapakita ng variety ng mga suntok. Kanina, jab, straight. Ngayon naman, counter. May uppercut din.
Less than 1 minute remaining. Second round scheduled for 8.
Ayun, sa katawan.
Down he goes! Hindi na yata makakabangon itong si Geraldine Oclarit.
Wala na.
He's being counted. Tulog pa rin po itong si Oclarit. At ano pa rin wala pa rin yung mata nitong si Geraldine Oclarit.
Oo.
Sa ilalim, Mintis,
Kaliwa.
tuloy, ayun, sapul. Left hand. Another angle here, Dennis.
Talagang tamang-tama yung...
Panalo si Arbenjan Pasiones via second round knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay ang iyong komento sa baba at huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.